Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Juke fuel cap. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. First, you'll need to locate the fuel cap release mechanism inside your vehicle. This is usually found on the driver's side, often near the floor by the door, or sometimes on the dashboard. This small lever or button is designed to electronically unlatch the fuel filler door, giving you access to the fuel cap itself. Once you've located the release, simply pull the lever or press the button firmly. You should hear a distinct, soft click as the fuel filler door on the exterior of your Nissan Juke unlatches. Before proceeding, always ensure your vehicle is safely in park and the engine is completely off. This is a crucial safety step before you begin the refueling process, ensuring everything is secure and ready. With the fuel door unlatched, gently push it open from the outside of your vehicle. You'll now see the fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. It usually takes about 1/4 to 1/2 of a turn. Once removed, place the cap securely in its designated holder, often found on the inside of the fuel filler door, or rest it carefully on the door itself. Now you can insert the fuel nozzle and begin refueling your Nissan Juke with the appropriate fuel type. Once you've finished, remove the nozzle and replace the fuel cap. Turn it clockwise until you hear at least one click, indicating it's securely tightened. Finally, close the fuel filler door firmly, ensuring it latches completely. You should hear a satisfying click as it locks into place, ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.